Here's how to create this scrolling effect. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. First, create at least 2 video collages. Import your video on InShot. Drag the first clip to the top, tap PIP, and import clip 2. Scale and position it in the middle, tap PIP again, and import clip 3. Save this video collage and create the second video collage. Once that's done, we'll create the scrolling effect. Import the first video collage, add a keyframe at the start of the clip. Scroll to the end of the clip, drag the video up until it's almost out of frame. Go to the beginning of the clip, tap PIP, import the second video clip, tap autofill to fit to screen, scroll to the end of the clip, add a keyframe, scroll to the beginning, drag the second clip down till it's almost out of frame, and you'll get something like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.